What's happening, man? It's your boy Scuba back up in the place, all up in your face. Bringing y'all another video, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Here on my channel, Scuba Speaks, we're dedicated to you already. Spreading that positivity, that love, man. Raising our vibrations so we can escape this matrix, bro. Start meditating, going within to get these answers. So listen, a lot's happening over the past few weeks, man. Or I'm gonna say 2 weeks exactly. It ain't been that long, but about 2 weeks or a week and a half. As y'all see, you know what I'm saying? A lot of things have changed in my life. My phone had broke originally. That's why I didn't post no videos, because like my phone broke and I took it to Sprint and they said they was gonna be able to fix it, but then they couldn't fix it, so they had to send to Apple. Apple's supposed to fix it, but they couldn't fix it either, so they were gonna replace it. But you can't replace it until it gets fixed, so it can't be restored because the charger port is broken. And when you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got just, cause they be trying you sometimes, man. The ego be wanting to get, and I ain't gonna lie, I had to show up in Sprint like, bro, what's up, man? Y'all playing with me, dog. Like, I need my phone. I'm about to take a vacation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need my phone. What do y'all, come on, man, give me a phone. They got me a little temporary phone right now. It's a 6, so I was like nervous about that. Like, well, I can't post no videos because it ain't gonna look the same. The camera ain't the same as the 10. You know what I'm saying? But again, that was the ego, so I had to drop him off real quick, put him to the side, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes Jit be I got squared with him, bro. He gonna be throwing me off, dog. But anyways, I didn't know what video to bring because, like I said, it felt like an artist, you know, they be saying, like, they lost their hard drive, so they had to create all the music. That's how I felt. My old phone has all my notes with all my titles and stuff on it, right? So I'm like, bro, what am I gonna speak on? Like, da-da-da-da. So I'm out there sun gazing. I'm getting that good sun there right now, you know what I'm saying? And, like, the information just came. I just received it. I stopped resisting. I just received it. I'm like, bro, this is all happening for a reason. And when you understand it, the difference between understand and understand for those who are spiritually woke and those who aren't, it's more of a understanding is the ego or the brain trying to make sense or logic of something. That's why sometimes you have to not get too much into the mind. The mind is very tricky. You gotta go within the heart. That's how you understand it. It's in the heart. It's something you feel, something you already know. You just have to be reminded sometimes of this. So, you know what I'm saying? As I'm going through my spiritual awakening, I feel it's my duty, it's my purpose to help bring awareness to those who may not know some of these things or might have forgotten these things. You know what I'm saying? Because again, we already know this stuff. We just forgot because we're stuck in this matrix and they control, or at least they try to control your emotions, your thoughts, you know what I'm saying? Your physical body, all that stuff, man. They putting these images out there. This is how you supposed to look. You know what I'm saying? Like, God did not create no accident. I don't care what size you is, big, small, skinny, wide. Bruh, somebody is made for somebody. Know that. Know that. And it's like so much competition out here. So much stuff that's just keeping us at low vibration. They got the Popeye chicken thing. That's ridiculous, man. The fact that they had a whole line around the block. I couldn't even get to my destination. I wasn't even trying to go to Popeye. I'm trying to go somewhere else, and I can't even get to where I'm trying to go because these people trying to get this Popeye's chicken. Y'all know it's not real food. That's the craziest part. Like, I can understand. Well, I really don't understand it, but it's like at least somewhat explainable. The sneakerhead people who try to get these shoes. You know what I'm saying? It's like these shoes that I could wear them a few times, or I could sell them profit off. Bruh, it's been people who literally bought some chicken, like a whole bunch of them, and tried to flip them on the streets. It's like, yeah, I got that Popeye chicken sound, bro. What you talking about? I got that Popeye chicken, bro. I got that Popeye chicken, bro. You think I'm gonna buy a not even warm sandwich out your trunk, bro? I don't know you. Bruh, once Popeye's food leave the restaurant, you got about 10, 15 minutes to eat that bill, or it's done. It's over with. It's crazy, man. And then it's like, right as that happened, we was starting to be more aware of this, the Amazon rainforest that was burning for over 3 weeks. That they made something, it was a wildfire. Bro, ain't no wildfires, man. Even in California, they made wildfires, bro. People are setting these places on fire. Know that. Stop believing everything they put on TV, man. Television, tell lies to your vision. Stop believing everything you see on TV. It's fake, bro. It's so fake. This is not real. The stuff you see is not real, man. We're better than this. You're better than this. You just needed a reminder. Go within. You'll find all these answers. You'll see it for what it is, bro. They playing with us, man. They are playing with us, dog. Look, they see I'm speaking on too real now. They bring these fake clouds, bro. They claimed they had like a whole press conference a while ago talking about something. Well, the sun's getting too hot, so we're gonna attempt to cool down the sun. We're gonna make these clouds and have these little reflectors, and the reflectors are gonna, shine the sun back at the sun, almost on like a mirror effect. What? Do you think that stuff can really just stay in the sky, bro? That stuff they spraying with them planes, that's coming down to the ground. We're breathing that stuff in, and then you burning down our rainforest and our trees and our nature. Now we can't breathe clean oxygen because the trees actually clear out all those toxins in the air so you can breathe in clean oxygen. But the less trees you have around your neighborhoods, there's no wonder everybody's sick. Y'all think it's flu season. No, ain't no flu season. They just chopping down trees. That's what that is. They chopping down trees. And that's how big pharma make their money, because now we have to get cough medicine. We got to get these pills, Mucinex and Robitussin and all this other crap. God did not design us to need medicine to survive. Everything from nature is what we need to survive. That is our medicine. Nature. Getting outside. Breathing in that good oxygen. You know what I'm saying? Get your feet into the grass, bro. I'm talking about no socks, no shoes. Get your feet into the grass and get planted there and just take in that information. Receive it. Stop resisting so much. Receive it. God is trying to connect with you. But the more distant you become with God, the less joyous you are in your life. You cannot be truly happy if you're not connected to your spirit, bro. There's no way. And the easiest way to keep you disconnected from your spirit is eating that crappy food. They got KFC talking about something. They got a vegan KFC and ATL. Just because they painted it green. They painted a KFC green, and all of a sudden they got vegan chicken. That's wild, man. And people are just scurrying right over there. Oh, I gotta get this in, gotta get it in. Like, bro, stop it, man. It's almost embarrassing. Like, please understand what I'm trying to tell y'all. They are messing with your spirit and your energy. Everything is energy. When you eating dead animals that was like slaughtered and mutilated and all this other crap, you know what I'm saying? The GMO foods, you're taking that spirit in that you ate. What you think these GMO foods be eating? All this chicken and steak and everything else. What y'all think they be putting in them cows and them chickens? What do you think they be feeding them? So now it's like a double negative almost. Like, not only am I eating a dead animal who was like fearful of his life, I'm eating whatever crap they was feeding it. It's sad, man. But also, like I said, I'm taking care of myself. I've been taking myself this whole week and a half I've been out. I hope y'all been taking care of yourselves, man. For real. It's like wartime, man. It's wartime. It's us versus them. Who gonna win? It's way more of us than it is of them. But yet, we're conceding to everything they tell us as if it's just factual and everything. It's just like, all right, just tell me what to do. Point me in the direction of safety. 'Cause I want to feel safe. Man, listen. I always feel safe. My spirit guides are in this room right now with me. What's happening, bro? You feel me? We right here with it. I'm always with my spirit guides. The fallen soldiers in our life, our ancestors. Every time you talk about somebody who used to pass, who was in your life, you sometimes can feel their energy in the room. They're right there with you, bro. They're right there with you. You can always connect to your mother. You miss your mother who died. You miss your brother. You miss your cousin. You can connect to them anytime. You have to go within. Get away from these toxins. Clear out your bad energy. All that negative thought you have and all these negative emotions, let it go. It's not doing you any service, bro. It's not. You have to start eating more clean food. At least eat some organic meats that the animals at least die away in a graceful manner. You know what I'm saying? Get you some more vegetables in your diet. Get you some more fruits in your diet. Just do research, man. Everything I'm telling you is researchable. Do your own research, please. These are desperate times now. I'm pleading with y'all because I know come 2020, they finna crank it up a notch, man. It's gonna be way more hurricanes. It's gonna be way more earthquakes. It's gonna be way more wildfires and all other kind of nonsense, man. These natural disasters that They show documentation of a scientist simulating a hurricane in a controlled vacuum. So if y'all honestly think they can't do it on a bigger scale, y'all the ones who crazy, not me. You know what I'm saying? I know what's going on. I do. And they playing with us, man. All these bad foods we eat and all this bad energy we taking in, it's hard to really take over your life. But I'm here to tell you, you have all the control. You have all the control to escape this matrix. It's not that hard, man. It seems very difficult, but usually when there's something that's like challenging your life, it's good to embrace that because it's time for growth. You don't want to stay the same forever, man. We had those ways for a long time. It's time to move on from that. You are a God. Treat yourself. Would you think God, when we pull up at McDonald's 3 in the morning, after the club, turning up with his partner, smoking and drinking in the club with the hoes, you think God would do that if he was a human? Treat yourself that way. Don't identify with this ego body thinking that's who you are. You are much more than that. You are so spiritually like a loving spirit, but yet you keep consuming or engaging in this negative stuff. All these distractions, they're so like eye-popping. You just can't believe it. Like, what? It's just like, man, stop. Well, you know what's really going on? It's just like, next. You can see it for what it is, bro. I'm trying to help y'all, man. I'm bringing y'all a lot more videos, man. This don't stop. They trying to keep me down with breaking my phone and get me upset, this and that and the third. Man, I took that and channeled it into a whole nother version of power. You know what I'm saying? I have the power. You can't take my power, bro. I have the power. I'm not scared to die. I'm not scared of anything because that's stuff they put on TV for you to be fearful all the time. They know about Goin. You don't think they be out there meditating? The super government. I'm not talking about the little U.S. government. They are relevant. I'm talking about the people who are big. You know what I'm saying? The one who run the entire mission. The one who telling y'all you can't go to Antarctica right now. Why we can't go to Antarctica? Because they know it's stuff over there. They know it's stuff over there, bro. But that's another video for another time, man. Anyways, bro, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I just want to give y'all a little update on what's been going on in my life and what's going on in the world around us and understanding that you have the power. Take it back. Stop giving it to them all the time. These fake shootings, man. Y'all know the documentation of the same mother crying, oh, my baby died, no. My baby. At a whole nother shooting. Oh, then I got my baby. It's sick, bro. These people are disgusting, man. Like, I'm not mad. It's just like, y'all trying really hard. They're really, really trying hard to keep us low, man. That's why they keep telling. I got my chakra, you know what I'm saying? Crystals right here lined up. Candles lit as always. I'm right here. Oh, yeah, I got my bracelet in recently. You know what I'm saying? What I was telling you about in my last video. On my chakra, look how like detailed that bit is, dog. That bit kind of lit, low key, you know what I'm saying? I be looking like a whole hippie out here, man. But I don't care, man. This is me. This is my life now. If you embrace it or you fall back, that's cool. That's cool. Legit. I'm not even gonna, I swear to God, I'm not gonna be mad. If you just stop, man, Steve, man, School be on that weird stuff, bro. I can't rock with him no more. That's cool. Because you're not on my like path anyway. We're not going in the same direction. You going this way, I'm going that way. You only gonna slow me down. So the more and more I find myself fading away from certain friendships or relationships, it's for the better. I'm embracing it. I'm accepting it. This needed to happen. I needed to wake up so I can see what's really going on out here. With my third eye, though. I'm not looking with these two eyes. These two eyes can get fooled easily. I'm not worried about my two eyes. This eye right here is wide open, man. I see what's going on, man. Open your third eye. You can see what's going on. You can see who's good in your life and who's bad in your life. Just because you blood, don't mean you good for me, bro. Understand that. Sometimes your family be the only ones, be the main ones who kind of keep you at a low vibration, who won't let you ascend to your higher self because they have their beliefs and now you believe in what they believe. This is my world, so I subscribe to my own rules, you know what I'm saying, and what I believe in. I suggest you do the same. Take your life back. Take control back, man. And know that it's a real war. It's a real battle going on between us and them. What side you going to be on? You going to be a robot and be a good little soldier? Huh? Or you going to fight for yourself and everything you believe in? Stand for something or fall for anything, bro. Know that. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, man. It's getting kind of warm in here. and the sun is out. But I love each and every one of y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, man, you are loved. You are blessed. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't, that's fine, man. I don't judge nobody, man. Just mark a timestamp and go back and finish this on your own time. This video might be a little long for some people, but I feel like it's an appropriate time. I'm gonna make a podcast actually when I get everything set up. It's gonna be a lot longer than this stuff for people who want to go really deep in this stuff. People who are ready for this information. Obviously, not everybody's ready for this information, but I'm here for y'all too. We all on this journey together, man. I'm on the journey together with y'all. Like, I felt good this morning. It was on my spirit to bring y'all this information, so I just did it. Woke up, bust out 100 push-ups. You know what I'm saying? I felt great. Good for my back, because my back been hurting me a lot lately, and I realized, you know what? I ain't been doing my 100 push-ups a day challenge in a while. So if y'all haven't done that, I suggest you do it. For those who are like more actively ready for that, if not, just do whatever you can. Just be more active. Get outside more. Start doing a little walking. You know what I'm saying? A little jog, whatever you can do. Just do something. You don't have to have a membership to be exercising. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to be a super, you know what I'm saying, physique kind of person. That's what they want you to believe. But, bro, I done lost a lot of weight since I've been on my vegan stuff, man. I feel great. I legit have a lot more energy than I've ever had in my entire life. And you can too. Once you start investing into your spirit and not these worldly things. You know what I'm saying? So again, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe this video. Let's get this message out there, man. I need more people to understand what's going on or understand what's going on. Because it's that time. It's that time to raise your vibration. It's that time right now, man. I love each and every one of y'all, man. Take care of yourselves. And namaste.